Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain why is your battery yellow on an iPhone. Your battery is yellow because of a low power mode being enabled. And that low power mode can be enabled by you sometimes by an accident when the 20% or 10% notification of the battery, like the battery is low, shows up. There are two buttons. You can just click on OK to close that notification, or click on low power mode, and that's going to enable that low power mode. Typically, low power mode automatically disables when the battery hits 80% in charging. But if you have enabled it once the battery was already charged above 80%, then it's not gonna disable it itself unless you plug it into power again and charge it above 80%. Now, if you want to disable that mode, just go to settings, then go to battery. And now you'll find battery low power mode at the bottom, and you can disable that or enable it. So that's a pretty simple thing to do. I'm gonna disable it, and it's like that. You can also easily do it by sliding down from the top of the screen, then clicking on that icon to enable or disable low power mode. If you don't have this icon, you can simply click on plus in top left corner after sliding down from the right top part of the screen. Then at the bottom, click on add a control and find low power mode, then add it, and it's added, you can see. So now I even have two icons. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.